person that you most admire in your family. Okay, the person you admire in your family. For example, I really admire my grandmother because in World War II, she was alone and she had to look after 4 children, to provide food, to give food. So that was difficult for her. Do you understand me? Yes? So think of a person in your family that you admire, okay? You two together, and you two together, okay? For just about 2 minutes, alright? Admire. You think, oh, my mother, or oh, my father, like I'm proud.
Okay.
Yes, you feel proud in your heart. Yes, about somebody in your family.
Okay.
Okay?
So I really asked my dad because when you see my mother, sometimes I say, how can you give me that? I was more selective, but my grandfather